We should switch to the basketball one.
Dylan, we suck at that one.
No, we don't.
Okay, we don't really suck at this at all. Still, if we got a good thing going on, why change it up? You know what I mean? Oh, shit! Did you see that?
I did. I also saw and missed that.
Okay.
And you hit me. And one of them hit me.
Oh shit! How do I miss that?
I feel like I may have tapped you up a bit there. Honestly.
It's all good. I didn't notice it, honestly. Get out of my way, teammate! No!
Honestly, we just said honestly a lot.
Honestly, I have to say, I honestly... Son of a...
I tried saving it, Cody, but I couldn't make it.
Oh my god, our teammate is autistic!
Same.
He's like, I could help my team, or I could hit the guy who gets the most goals. I'm gonna hit the guy.
Okay, that's a shark.
I saw it too.
No! You dicks, that was supposed to be my goal.
No! That is 2 possible goals. Thank you, Dylan. At least someone with T2P in the front of their name fucking gets a goal. Woo! I was getting livid.
I said the other guy set me up. Saw my chance and I took it. That was fun.
Goal.
Tries to go in and save it.
Wait. We have to remember how many goals I get this time.
Well, that's 1. So now you're at a total of 17.
Most goals in one game is like, what, 7?
7. Oh, they actually got the ball on our side of the field. Whatever shall we do?
Hit it back one game. He's good. Okay, what's his name? I would like to never play with Ortiz Delaria ever again.
Okay, I totally. Oh, that was you. I thought it was that Patrice Delaria or whatever, so I was gonna go in and try and steal that goal.
I landed that backwards too. That was pretty dope. I just keep going like I'm about to get it. Viewers. Our game is fire today.
All like 5 of you, I'm sure, that's actually watching.
Viewers. Oh, I'm a dickhead. Dylan, turn around. Bicycle kick that shit in there.
I tried. I missed.
We need to go back.
I'm out of boost.
Our teammate did something. Shit. Oh shit, I hit it, but the... Oh!
It's okay, they suck and they can't shoot the ball apparently.
I can't hit the ball apparently. As soon as you said that, like I went to flip into it and I missed it completely. Shit, I did it again. Except I centered it for him.
Cody, you're supposed to hit the other side of the field back.
I'm supposed to be the MLG player. Dylan, you son of a bitch. I'm glad you blocked it. I'll say that much. Thank you for blocking it, at least, and not hitting it on our side. I would bomb that shit. How about you not do that, teammate? Jesus Christ, I thought he would. Is that our first teammate to make a goal today?
No, the other guy in the first match made 2 goals. You see me try and steal it from him, though.
Yeah. Damn you cheeky little bastard. Hopefully our teammate stays back. Woo!
He did not stay back, and I shoved him further.
Well, he did not.
I thought it was going to go in their goal.
It's hard reading them because they're not all about hitting it on our side of the field.
Sometimes I feel like you jump like super high, then other times you barely jump at all in this game. God damn it, teammate. I would have cleared the damn ball, but you had to jump and swing and get in my way.
Our teammate is such a fucking retard. We'd be winning at life right now.
I mean, we're still winning.
No, we need to be better. Dylan!
Hey now, I was driving there first.
You were driving the opposite way. If you would have hit the ball, it would have went on our side of the field. I was hitting it to where it'd be on their side.
I was trying to get to where the ball was going to land.
Ah. I'm coming back down. So what is it? 4-0, 18 goals?